Question 1. In a color contrast penetrant inspection, how should the dwell time be adjusted based on the size of a discontinuity? A. Increased for smaller cracks. B. Decreased for smaller cracks. C. Increased for wider cracks. Justification: smaller openings require longer time for the penetrant to be drawn in by capillary action. Wider cracks allow faster penetration. Question 2. When using an older style vernier caliper with nibs, what adjustment must be made to the reading? A. Nibs must be added. B. Nibs must be subtracted. C. The nib size is irrelevant. Justification: the scale reading measures the outer edges of the nibs, adding the nib thickness gives the true internal dimension. Question 3. What voltage rating would be appropriate for a megometer used to perform test on a wire with voltage of 115 volts? A. 500 volts. B. 250 volts. C. 115 volts. Justification: insulation tests require a voltage higher than the working voltage to effectively stress the insulation. Question 4. How to test a Mach switch in place? A. Remove and test. B. Use built-in test. C. External kit only. Justification: built-in test equipment can simulate operating conditions to check the Mach switch without removal. Question 5. Min bend radius for clamped wire? A. 10x diameter. B. 3x diameter. C. 5x diameter. Justification: a bend radius of at least 10 times the wire's diameter minimizes stress concentration. Question 6. Min rivet row spacing? A. 3 diameter. B. 4 diameter. C. 2.25 diameter. Justification: minimum spacing ensures adequate load distribution and prevents material failure between rivet rows. Question 7. Dry solder joint cause? A. Too much flux. B. Too little heat. C. Large iron. Justification: bend allowance calculations reference the inner bend radius as a measurable point related to the neutral axis. Question 8. What is the standard cutting angle of a drill bit? A. 130 degrees. B. 59 degrees. C. 12 degrees. Justification: specified drill bit for clarity and alignment with standard terminology. Question 9. Silver solder elements? A. Tin, lead, silver. B. Tin, lead, copper. C. Tin, lead only. Justification: silver solder contains silver for improved strength and often includes tin and sometimes lead in its composition. Question 10. Store dye penetrant kit? A. Cold, dark. B. Direct sun. C. Room temp, no sun. Justification: moderate temperatures and protection from direct sunlight prevent degradation of the inspection chemicals.